Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your respawn point in Hytale. Now for this you'll actually need a crude bedroll at the bare minimum, and the way you go about that, you just press tab on your keyboard. It will open up pocket crafting, and here you can see the crude bedroll. For this you need plant fibers, at least 3 of them, and you'll need light hides. And the way you get these, you just need to go ahead and kill bears or sheep and other animals like that. You get these, and then you just come here, click on craft, and once you craft that, you can just place it anywhere by clicking your right mouse button. So we have right clicked that, and then we click on F to interact, and as you can see I am setting my respawn name, and then I'll click on confirm, and we have now set a new respawn point, which is my bed. That is how to set your respawn point in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.